What is TPM process improvement methodology?
TPM, or Total Productive Maintenance, is a process improvement method that integrates maintenance with production to improve equipment effectiveness and workplace efficiency. It focuses on proactive and preventive maintenance to maximize the operational efficiency of equipment. TPM involves everyone in the organization from operators to executives. It encourages everyone to have a shared responsibility for equipment to reduce downtime and improve productivity. TPM emphasizes continuous improvement and elimination of waste. This leads to fewer machine breakdowns and a higher quality production. TPM supports operational excellence by enhancing equipment reliability, safety, and overall plant efficiency, driving better performance and productivity across the organization.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.